Hello, let me quickly explain how you can charge your Google Pixel Watch 3. So if you wonder how we can do this, in the box we can find this charger. And if you wonder if there's like any other method, like for example with wireless chargers, then no. This is the only way. So you will have to put this full 4 gold pins right here on your watch and it will automatically attach. If it is not working, for example, it looks like this, that you cannot attach this, then you will have to rotate your watch and it will automatically attach. And now if you are wondering where you can connect this cable, then it doesn't actually matter what kind of the charging brick you are gonna use, because everything will works when you connect with this USB-C. Of course you have to get the charger with the USB-C input, but also you can connect this into your phone and take a look, and it will start charging. Also, you can connect this cable into your laptop, into your game console, basically to any other input with the USB-C and the power supply. And that will be all. Thanks for watching. Right now please subscribe.